Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to master smooth animations in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump onto the screen.
You can see that I have Premiere Pro open on my computer and there is a background added to it. Now take your image or whatever you are animating and drag it into the Premiere Pro timeline. Go to the Effects panel, search for Drop Shadow and drag it onto your image. Now go to Effect Controls and scroll down to Drop Shadow. Now change the value for opacity to 69, distance to 20 and softness to 25. Drop shadows give your image depth and a 3D look, making it feel more alive. Now go to Effects, search for Transform and drag the effect onto your image. Go back to Effect Controls, then to Transform. Uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle option and increase the shutter angle to 360. This will give your subject motion blur while animating. Now you might already know this, but just in case you don't, this little button here is the keyframe timer. Click on it where you want the animation to start. You can click this to set a keyframe and use these arrows to move between them. Click the little stopwatch on whichever property you want to animate. Position moves your object right, left, down or up. Scale makes it bigger or smaller. I'm going to use position for this example. Now add a keyframe and move the image to where you want the animation to start. For me, that's off the screen. Then move forward to where you want it to appear on screen. Add another keyframe and bring it into place. Just like that, you've created a basic animation, but a lot of you already know up to this step. So here's what really makes your animation smooth and takes it to the next level. Now expand the position section to reveal the curve controls. These two little handles determine the shape of the curve. The highest point of the curve represents the fastest part of the animation. When your image is coming onto the screen, drag the right handle down and then to the left. This is called an entry curve. When your image is moving across the screen, bring both handles down, then bring them closer together like this. That's called an intermediate curve. Now when your image is exiting the screen, bring the left handle down and then to the right. That's your exit curve. These are the three essential curves you need to know for almost any animation. Now that's how you create smooth animations. But what if you're feeling lazy or you just want to save time and not recreate everything from scratch every single time? For this, you can create your own presets. To create your own preset, make the animation first, then select the transform effect you use. Right click and choose Save Preset. Now give it a name and select Anchor to In Point, then click OK. Now if I go to Effects and search for my preset, you can see that it is available to use, and that's how you can master smooth animations in Premiere Pro.